How you guys doing? I'm getting a lot of requests to show my mask, and people want to know, is it a good mask? Is it built good with good quality? Here I got two masks that I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate the test that people are seeing on the internet with a guy spraying multiple masks. I'm not gonna go through the multiple masks. I'm just gonna talk about my mask when I'm giving back to the community and to people purchasing the mask to protect themselves. So I can tell you that now that this spray right here has a less power on the spray. It doesn't spray that hard. Everyone knows that the Lysol is the hard one. But I will start with this. By the way, I have my equipment here. When I spray, it gets wet. I don't like wetting my equipment, but for the sake of the mask, I'll go ahead and do it. Here's one. Nothing. If I bring it up, you'll see it. Nothing. Here's the second mask. Nothing. If I move it down, you see it. Nothing gets through. And I'm actually spraying it. Let's go right back and let's go to the same mask that I did before. And here's the harder one. See that? Nothing. Harder spray. Once again. Nothing. Nothing. So there you got it. FaceMask19.com. Make sure you get your mask. Make sure you stay safe. Go ahead and order. Any orders over $100 will get free shipping. Once again, that's www.facemask19.com. Thank you.